Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry here, and today we're going to talk about something very simple, very common, and honestly, very scary for many learners. Talking in English at a shop. Yeah, just a shop, but somehow it feels big, right?
Oh, yes, totally. I still remember that feeling. You walk into a shop, your heart starts beating fast, and you think, please don't ask me anything. Please don't ask me anything.
Exactly. And the funny thing is, we know the words, but when it's time to speak, our mind goes blank.
Yeah, like suddenly you forget even hello. You're like, huh? What language am I speaking today?
Yes. So today, we'll practice real English, the English you need when you go to a shop. No difficult grammar, no pressure, just calm, friendly, everyday English.
Hmm, I like that. It already feels safe. Like, okay, I can try this.
That's the feeling we want, because English is not about being perfect, it's about being clear and brave. Let me ask you something. Have you ever gone into a shop, you wanted to buy something, but you stayed quiet because you were afraid to speak English?
Oh, yes, many times. Sometimes I just point at things, like this one, yes, thank you. No words, just pointing.
That's very common, and it's okay at the start. But today, we'll move one small step forward, Alex.
Small step sounds good. Not a big jump, just one step.
Okay, imagine this. You walk into a small shop, maybe a clothing store. The shopkeeper looks at you and says, "Hello, can I help you?"
Oh, that question. That question scares people because you think you need a long answer.
But you don't. You can answer with very simple English. For example, you can say, "I'm just looking." That's it. Very simple, very natural.
I'm just looking. That sounds friendly. Not rude, not nervous.
Exactly. Let's say it together, slowly. I'm just looking.
I'm just looking. Oh, that feels nice.
Now, imagine you do want something. You want a shirt. You can say, "I'm looking for a shirt."
Oh, okay. So I don't need to say many words, just I'm looking for a shirt.
Yes. And if you want a color, you can add it. "I'm looking for a black shirt."
Black shirt. That's easy. I like black anyway.
Now, let's do a small role play. No stress. Just listen or speak with us. Hello. Can I help you?
Yes. I'm looking for a black shirt.
Perfect. Very natural. No mistakes. Even if there were mistakes, it's okay.
That's important because people think mistakes are dangerous, but they're not.
Now, let's say the shopkeeper asks, "What size do you need?"
Oh, a size. That's another scary word.
But the answer is easy. You can say, "Medium, please," or "Large, please."
Medium, please. Simple. Polite.
Now imagine you want to ask the price. You can say, "How much is this?"
Ah, yes. Classic sentence. How much is this?
Yes, and you can point at the item. That's totally okay.
Harry, can I tell a small story?
Of course, go ahead.
One time, I wanted to buy shoes. I was so nervous. I practiced in my head again and again. When I finally spoke, I said, how many is this?
And that's okay. People still understand you.
Yes, the shopkeeper smiled and said the price. So communication worked.
That's a great lesson. English is about connection, not perfection.
I like that sentence.
Now, let's practice a longer shop conversation. Listeners, you can pause and repeat after us if you want. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket.
What color would you like?
Maybe blue or black.
Okay, here you are. Would you like to try it on?
Oh, try it on. That means wear it, right?
Yes. So you can say, yes, I'll try it on.
Yes, I'll try it on. That sounds very natural.
Now, mindset tip time. When you go to a shop, remember this. Shop conversations are short. They are simple. You don't need long sentences.
And the shopkeeper talks to many people every day. They don't care if your English is perfect.
Exactly. They just want to help you. Okay, let's do a listener exercise. Imagine the shopkeeper says, "Can I help you?" Pause for a second. What would you say?
Think about it. You can say it quietly or loud. Your choice.
Possible answers are, I'm just looking. I'm looking for shoes. I need a gift.
See? Many answers. All correct.
Now vocabulary time. We'll keep it simple. We'll repeat the words in conversation.
Good. Repetition helps.
Word 1. Looking for. Example, I'm looking for a jacket.
I'm looking for a jacket.
Word 2. Price. Example, what's the price?
What's the price?
Word 3. Size. Example, what size do you need?
What size do you need?
Word 4. Try it on. Example, I'll try it on.
I'll try it on.
Word 5. Cheap. Example, this is cheap.
This is cheap.
I like cheap.
Everyone does.
Word 6. Expensive. Example, this is expensive.
This is expensive. My wallet feels that.
Word 7. Cash. Example, can I pay in cash?
Can I pay in cash?
Word 8. Card. Example, I'll pay by card.
I'll pay by card.
Great job. Now remember, English is like going to the gym. At first, it feels hard, but every small try makes you stronger.
And even one sentence is progress. Even one word.
Yes, so next time you go to a shop, don't stay silent. Say something, anything.
And smile. Smiling helps a lot.
All right, friends, that's it for today's episode of 24/7 Talk English.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like the video
Subscribe to the channel.
and comment below. What do you want to buy in English?
We'll see you in the next episode.
Take a deep breath. You can do this.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.